Alopecia, or hair loss, is a major cause of concern for women and men worldwide. This condition affects more than 85% of men and 50% of women in their lifetime. There are different types of hair loss, the most common being androgenic alopecia, the natural, gradual hair loss that comes with age. In women, it is characterized in gradual thinning of hair, mainly on the top of the scalp. In men, androgenic alopecia starts with gradual receding hairline, followed by hair thinning on the crown and the top of the head. Genetics, medical conditions, certain medications, aging, and lifestyle factors, including stress, can all trigger hair loss. For women, triggers can also include natural life events that involve hormonal changes, such as childbirth and menopause. Here's what happens. Our hair grows out of follicles in the skin. They experience a long phase of active growth, which can take several years, followed by a brief transition phase when the hair stops growing. And finally, a resting phase, when the hair is pushed out of the follicle and replaced by a new hair. In androgenic alopecia, hormones affect the follicles, causing them to become progressively smaller and causing hairs to spend less time in the growth phase, leading to weaker, thinner, and sparser hair. FoLix tackles the problem with a revolutionary, first-of-its-kind treatment for hair loss. Using laser to harness the body's natural processes, FoLix promotes blood circulation and growth factors activity, stimulating the hair follicles. Through short monthly treatments, FoLix improves the appearance of scalp hair and your confidence, providing natural-looking results. The FoLix treatment is quick, safe, and effective, with minimal discomfort and with no chemicals, no needles, no anesthesia, no routine changes, and no downtime. Take control of your hair today. Talk to us to learn more.